Amazon Rekognition Overview. Amazon Rekognition makes it easy to add image and video analysis to your applications. Amazon Rekognition Video is the video analysis service, while Amazon Rekognition Image is the image recognition service. Both services are powered by our deep learning technology. All you need is to provide an image or video to the Rekognition API. The service can identify the objects, people, scenes, text and activities, as well as detect any inappropriate content. Amazon Rekognition also provides highly accurate facial analysis and facial recognition on images and video that you provide. You can detect, analyze, and compare faces for a wide variety of user verification, people counting, and public safety use cases. Amazon Rekognition is based on the same proven, highly scalable, deep learning technology developed by Amazon's computer vision scientists to analyze billions of images and videos daily. Here are the key benefits. Amazon Rekognition offers simple integration. You can add visual analysis features to your application with easy-to-use APIs. You don't require any machine learning expertise to use. Amazon Rekognition is also fully managed. It provides consistent response times, regardless of the volume of requests you make. Your application latency remains consistent, even as your request volume increases to tens of millions of requests. Continually learning. Amazon Rekognition is continually learning from new data. Batch and real-time analysis are supported on Amazon Rekognition. You can run real-time analysis on video from Amazon Kinesis video streams. You can also analyze images as they are uploaded to Amazon S3. For large jobs, use AWS Batch to analyze thousands of images or videos. In terms of pricing, Amazon Rekognition is low cost. With Amazon Rekognition, you only pay for the number of images or minutes of video you analyze and the face data you store for facial recognition. There are no minimum fees or upfront commitments. Security and identity enhancements to your applications are simple. You can easily integrate face-based user verification into new or existing applications. This is a simple process that requires the use of just one API. Amazon Rekognition offers the following key features: object, scene, and activity detection. With Amazon Rekognition, you can identify thousands of objects. In this example, objects such as building, car, bicycle, and scenes such as city. When analyzing video, you can also identify specific activities happening in the frame, such as delivering a package or playing soccer. Pathing. When using Amazon Rekognition with video files, you can capture the path of people in the scene. For example, you can use the movement of athletes during a game to identify plays for post-game analysis. Facial recognition. Amazon Rekognition offers fast and accurate search capability. This allows you to identify a person in a photo or video using your private repository of face images. It also supports crowd mode face detection, which can detect, analyze and index up to 100 faces in a single image. Unsafe content detection. Amazon Rekognition helps you identify potentially unsafe or inappropriate content across both image and video assets. Rekognition provides a hierarchical list of labels with confidence scores. It also provides a range of different moderation levels, from explicit to suggestive. This information allows you to accurately control and filter what you want to allow based on your needs and what is appropriate for the culture and demographics of your users. Facial analysis. You can analyze the attributes of faces in images and videos you provide to determine things like demographic data such as gender and age range, emotions such as happiness, and general attributes such as eyes open and glasses, etc. In video, you can also measure how these things change over time, such as constructing a timeline of the emotions expressed by an actor. Celebrity recognition. You can quickly identify well-known people in your video and image libraries. Use cases include footage and photos categorization for marketing, advertising, and media industry. Text and images. Rekognition can detect and recognize text from real-world images such as street names, captions, product names, and license plates.